Did you know Claude is going to watermark the content it creates for you? And if you're using Claude for SEO content, you might be thinking, will Google detect it and hurt my rankings? Here's the interesting part. AI detection doesn't mean an SEO penalty. The idea behind Claude's watermark is that its text can have a hidden pattern based on the words and language it uses. So even after copy-pasting the content, that signal may still be there. But here's where many SEOs are getting it wrong. They think, if Google can detect AI content, Google will punish it. That's not how SEO works. Google cares about whether your content is useful, accurate, and made for people. Using AI doesn't automatically make your content bad. The bigger problem is trying to hide it. Some people are using other AI tools to rewrite everything, manually changing words, or even replacing normal letters with similar characters from other alphabets. And that can actually hurt your SEO. Why? Because Google doesn't just see your content like a human. It needs to understand your words, entities, brands, services, and locations. So instead of trying to hide AI from Google, use AI to work faster. Then add what AI can't easily create on its own: your experience, your data, your examples, your opinions, your expertise. The goal of SEO isn't to hide AI. The goal is to create content that deserves to rank.